Great Northern, blue. All right, this is the one hard part, and then you're golden. What do you say? No, it was a lot brighter last year. Take your time, yeah. What? Yeah. Oh yeah, Carson. You're leaning back a bit. Lean forward, lean forward. Try to lean forward, try to lean forward. Oh yeah! Indian Pass, blue. Carson, this is a fun one. Was that good?
My right thigh was cramping.
Okay, I got you.
Because of bending over before.
No, because when you're going down,
I go like this.
Just
Nick,
think of it.
you want to go? We'll go.
Think of it as a swivel.
Let's go. Let's get over to that one little part.
Think of it as a swivel.
I'm not swiveling. I'm just staying like I am right now.
You can practice on it.
No, Carson, you did great. That was beautiful.
Thank you, Daddy.
All right, let's go. No, this is fun. This is the fun one.
Oh no.
I'll push you.
I was about to go in there.
You good?
I fell down on purpose, okay? Let's just stop myself. It does not count as a fall.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, just like this doesn't count. Yeah, no, in the daytime, this view is nice.
This is the best view on the mountain in day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because you can see like the little fields.
You can see all.
The best view is when you're going up the gondola.
That's a good one. Cab. If you're going up the cab, it's the best. Vernon's got some nice views. No, I know where to go. Here, watch, follow me. Take it slow. All right, Carson, if you can do that, you can do all the blues.
What?
You can do all the blues. You can do all the blues. I can say that with 100% confidence.
My leg. Dude, I don't know how to make my right leg stop hurting.
Carson, you see that thing right there? Never mind. Don't think like that kid, okay?
Oh, this is beautiful.
No, it is nice.
Don't think like that guy either.
You want to? No, we have to get to check-in.
Wait, really?
I say we do the early check-in, do one more run, then eat dinner.
Hold
I think it's like 5:40. Let's just go check it right now.
Yeah, just do an early check-in.
Let's just get out of the way.
Okay, 5:40.
We'll do the early check-in, do one more run, then eat dinner.
I mean, we're already gonna be in there. Should we just eat dinner right there?
Yeah, that's actually smart.
Go to the right. Cousin, go to the right, okay? Don't go left.
Go to it's easier if you take matchmaker because then it shoots us out right by the lodge.
I know what matchmaker is.
You don't know what matchmaker?
You don't know what matchmaker
Is
is?
that like big jump?
No, it's not the big jump. No, it's the one at the bottom of Sayonara. Like you want the one that was never open? Yeah, that's matchmaker. You need a pull?
I just remember.
All right, we're gonna go on matchmaker. The one
I'm trying to get to my good side.
lower horizon, green. He's a lefty. I don't. Carson, go right. No. Forward, no, forward.
I thought it was the right.
No, I said right up there. I didn't say right now.
I can't get stuck. You just said right.
I said right up there. You didn't hear me say up there?
He said right. You just said right.
Matt,
What?
should we just go down here? Because
No, he said it right.
pain going down.
All right, yeah, let's just go down here. Let's go do sugar. We'll just do sugar.
Cousin. You can work on your swiveling.
This is a good one to do the swivel on. Jesus Christ, the line. Need help?
Well, everybody on the just pass.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Carson's probably the best. Carson's probably the second best snowboarder on the trail.
Why?
Because there's always like some random dad that's really good at this. Yeah, your dad. Sugar slope, green. You good? What? Where? What hurt? What hurts?
Oh, my leg buckled.
Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt?
I'm fine.
Oh, you're fine. Okay, good.
It doesn't hurt that bad. It's just, it felt weird.
All right, I'll wait for you. Don't worry. So no, this is a really good one to
I
practice
tried
on.
slipping and I got edge.
You know, don't worry. You want help?
Help is for losers.
Jeez. I'll give you my pole if you need it. No. Okay. All right, let's go check in and eat. I'm hungry. But this is harder than matchmaker.
Yeah, matchmaker's like right there.
Carson! Yeah, left. We gotta go to the lodge. No, that's not Julian. Julian's not gonna be here right now. Julian's probably on 0G. You want my poles? If I were you, I'd just take your snowboard off. In the front. Carson, that's the blue. Hey, what's
off, I'll do.
Hey, Carson.